Okay, go ahead. Okay, ready?
No.
Ella, look at mommy. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Keith. Happy birthday to you.
I love you.
Say bye.
Bye.
Hope you have a good birthday. Ella, say love you. Ella, what are you doing? Are you even here?
Say I love you, Keith. I love you, Keith.
Lily, now your turn.
Love you, Keith.